Okay, welcome to my studio. So I'm filling up a new palette today. This is the Meaden palette that I'm going to be using for when I'm filming, I think. So I'm just going to run through the colours that I'm adding to it. It took a fair bit of deciding on my colours. I thought I had heaps of space, but it did take some, coordinating of colours and making sure I had the right palette all put together. So I start off with the yellows. Firstly, there was Chinese white, that's a Mijello Mission. Then titanium buff, which is a Q-Or, which is the golden paints that are now doing watercolours. Then we stayed into the lemons, lemon yellow from Mijello. Then Hansa yellow medium, which is a Daniel Smith. Yellow ochre, which is a Mijello. Yellow orange, which is a Mijello. Then we have a permanent yellow deep in the corner. I did leave some space there in case I wanted to add some more. Didn't quite work out that way, but anyway. So turning the corner, we come down into the oranges, which is vermilion, which is a Mijello paint. Then we go on to cadmium red orange, which is a Meramai blue paint. Parole red, into the reds now. Parole red, which is Daniel Smith, and then Parole red deep, which is a Q-Or. I think I come back and add that one later. Quinacridone red, or the Daniel Smith, heading more into the blues now. We have Crimson Lake, Quinacridone Crimson Lake from Mijello Mission, and Quinacridone Violet, which is the Q-Or paint. Down into the corner we have Madder Rose, Mijello Mission, Opera Pink, and I do apologise for moving my palette off that you can't see what I'm putting in, but anyway. So Opera Pink in the corner, that's a Daniel Smith one. Quinacridone Rose, which is also Daniel Smith. And Quinacridone Violet is a Mijello Mission. Heading more towards the blues, we've got Moonglow from Daniel Smith, beautiful colour. Ultramarine Blue from Daniel Smith. Prussian Blue from Mijello Mission. Phthalo Blue from Daniel Smith. Cobalt Blue from Daniel Smith. And then in the corner we've got Cerulean, Daniel Smith, and also Indigo, which I think is Mijello Mission. Payne's Grey is the other one there in the blues as well. And then we head into the greens, which also took me some process of elimination, how many I had left as well, and what greens I wanted to include. There's some blue greens as well as some yellow greens as well. And you can just see me figuring out how many spots I had left, and where I thought I had a huge palette, it was not so big. So I start off with Cascade Green from Daniel Smith, then into Hooker's Green from Mijello Mission, Green Appetite Genuine from Daniel Smith. Heading into the yellow greens, we've got Sap Green from Daniel Smith, Green Gold from Daniel Smith, and then my browns are Burnt Sienna from Mijello Mission, Van Dyke Brown, and Lamp Black in the corner. I did go back and add some Aussie Red Gold up in that far corner with the reds as well. So there you go, that's my palette. I hope you've enjoyed that, and let me know what your favourite colours are to add.